So I just turned it on and let it heat up. I'm using 300 degrees, so let's see how this works. Here's my before. And you'll definitely want to use this on dry hair. Ooh, I really like that curl that came out already. So one of the things to notice is that this brush does not have any kind of an air feature. So it's really just more like a curling iron with a brush attached. Also, I have pretty thick and long hair. And so it's probably gonna take me a little bit longer than the average person, but it's already working really well. I can already start to see the differences. Another idea is to work your hair in sections, especially if you have longer hair like mine. But this is just a touch up for me. So at about 2.5 minutes, as you can see, I've done about that much to my hair on this side. And then this is, where we started. So for 5 minutes for your hair to look kind of like, this all the way through approximately. Just go ahead and do this side and we'll see how it turns out. So the approach I'm taking for my hair is just to work kind of in sections, just approaching the different pieces that I really need flattened out or curled up, depending on what I'm doing. So in about 5 minutes, I was able to get this really beautiful blown out style in my hair with these big curls and kind of straightened out some of the wrinkles there too. My hair looks shiny and beautiful with really little effort. I would definitely recommend this product. One thing to note is that the more tension you put on your hair, the better it's going to work. So you can either just kind of lightly brush through, or you can roll it up and create some tension on the hair. That's just gonna give you a little bit more drama in your curl. I also like that this has a swivel so that when you're working your way around your head, you're not getting things tangled up. That's actually a really helpful feature to have in appliances like this, I found. So, yeah, just a couple of minutes, even if you have long, thick hair like mine. Otherwise, this could be a great time saver, especially for the early morning. I would definitely say it's worth the investment.